Hello everyone, hope you're all okay, hope you had a nice weekend. Right, I'm coming on, I've just been making some ATCs. I'm doing a swap with somebody, not on YouTube, somebody else. So I thought I would come on and show you them. Right, we've got this one. I've used, you know, the papers I was doing last week with the wax paper. Well, some of the ones that didn't work very well, I've just gone over them with my, I'm absolutely in love with these, with the Cosmic Shimmer opal polishes. I've just gone over quite a lot of them, and I've used some stencils on the pieces of card and done it quite thick, so it's a bit like texture paste, but it's not texture paste. And I use this. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. I've only got the 4 colours at the minute, but I've got some more on order, and then I will have to make another order because the colours that I wanted are all out of stock. Anyway, that's what I've used. The card with different, I think this has got the, I don't know, probably the lilac pearl one actually on there. Oh, I used the ink, a Caldo ink is the pinky colour, purple colour, and then I've gone over it with the lilac pearl, lilac pearl, and then gold with the stencil. Use one of my skeleton leaves. I'm going to have to buy some more skeleton leaves, this size one, because I've only got really big ones. It's not something I've ever bought before, but the ones I've got, a lot of them, I have bought some. Yes, I have bought some, but a lot of them I've had given me. And I use some of this trim, that weird, it's a weird texture, but it's so handy for this sort of thing. And then I didn't have any thin ribbon like I did for those round coins that I did the other week. Didn't have any narrow ribbon, so I've just cut a piece of the card that was left, and then used some of the little Tim Holtz paper dolls. I love them when you colour them up. Well, I like them anyway, but I like them when you colour them up. Just went over with some of my markers, and I do tend to put it on and then like smudge it with my finger, because depending what markers you use, some work better than others. Little big chat word, is it? And then one of the, I can't think what it, I think are they called quotations or something? Anyway, these ones, just a little number, so that's that one. I don't know quite which one I'm going to keep yet. It's this one. I mean, the colours are just so beautiful. Oh, this one, this was the background, the green was the background where I using the, using the wax paper resist that I did last week. That was the one where I just crumpled the paper up. I didn't use an embossing folder, just crumpled it up. I'll leave the link to that video in case you didn't see it and you haven't got a clue what I'm talking about. I haven't got a clue what I'm talking about, so don't worry. Yeah, so there's that one, and then I used the leaf, this stencil. These are from the range, they're like dirt cheap. Get 5 for, I can't think, is it £1.99 or is it £99? I know they're ever so cheap for stencils. And I used the, is it blue? No, not that one. This one, Blue Wisteria. Use that over the top, but it's just, they're just so lovely. They really are beautiful, beautiful things to work with. It's gorgeous. So we've got the little boy and his mummy, or his granny. It's probably his granny, I don't know. Mind you, mummies looked older in those days, didn't they? So it probably is his mummy. Skeleton leaf again, some of this stuff. Weird trim. A little number and family. We got this one. This is one of the biggest go. I actually had these given me quite a few years ago. Just coloured her up with like burgundies and purple to match the skeleton leaf. I haven't done the backs yet. I need to do something. I'll probably keep this one. I think this is my least favourite. I don't know. I might use some of my Nouveau drops. Put some little Nouveau drops, being as I got them. So I'll have to have a practice first, especially on this one. So this needs something down this side, I think. Probably 2 or 3 down there, and I don't know. But yeah, I think I might keep that one. It's probably my least favourite. I think this one is my favourite. But they're all nice. Yeah, I hadn't intended doing these today. It's just how it happens. You know how it is. And I think sometimes when you don't plan things, they turn out better. But yeah, so that's my little show and tell for today. Alright, the green on this one was the archival leaf green, crumpled wax paper. I did write it on that one. It's Hobbycraft Pigment Aubergine on the back of that. Yeah, that was the one. I can remember that one. I said it didn't work. The ink didn't work very well. I think that one was Dilutions. That's the Dilutions pink spray. Oh, after I'd done that video the other day, I'll just show you quickly. After I'd done that video the other day of the wax paper resist, I thought, oh, wonder if alcohol inks will work. Well, I'd already thought of it, but I just didn't do any that particular day. I thought, oh, I'll have a go with alcohol inks. And I cut some hearts out. Just punched some hearts out. And what I did because wasn't sure whether the wax would cut out with the punch, and it didn't, so I just put the wax paper between, you know, like that, and wax paper in there, and just punched it out, and it punched hearts out and butterflies as well somewhere, but the butterflies didn't work so well. And then, you know, put the pieces of wax paper onto the glossy card and the other glossy card on the top, and then iron it. I will leave the link. If you're just watching this and you didn't see that one, you'll wonder what I'm talking about. And I used the alcohol inks. This one went a bit streaky because I used one of these and it went streaky. But I put the alcohol ink on there, I went streaky, but I still love it. It doesn't matter. And then let me have a look. What I did then, no, that's not alcohol. I just got a baby wipe and put a bit on my baby wipe. Oh, I don't know where they've gone now. And wiped it on with my baby wipe. That was probably, yeah. No, that's Dilution. That was the Dilution spray with the butterflies. And then I decided to put some of this Opal Pearl. And I don't know why, but it just wouldn't go over that bit. But it'll still get used. That was... that's Archival Cactus. Oh, this is alcohol, but I don't know what embossing folder I'd used. Probably the clock one or something. can't quite see, but the alcohol went on the glossy card, no problem, if I put it a little bit on a baby wipe. So I'm sort of getting there. It's great, I love it. What's this one? Right, gloss card, pink and purple dilution sprays. I haven't shown you these ones, I don't think. Or have I? Don't think so. And then I went over it with Lilac Pearl and Cosmic Shimmer. Oh, just love them. Right, these are probably the ones that... Oh, God, I don't know. I'm going to have to show you them another day. Oh, no, here we go, look. And then I thought, right, well, where I'd punched the hearts out, and I tried a flower, but the flower of the wax didn't come out ever so well, excuse me. So the bits that I'd got left, the negatives, if you like, oh, I wonder what they'll be like. So I just put those on, and I love these. So you don't need the embossing folders, just cut some shapes up or whatever. And I just got the wax on there, ironed the wax on, and then just went over with pink thistle. It's that one. Look at it. It's just gorgeous. It's pink when you put it one way and blue, well, bluey purple the other. They're just beautiful. And this one is the golden glow. Just lovely. I can't remember what I did. Oh, this was the Poundland, just cheapo everyday card with alcohol ink. That didn't work, but again, they'll all get used for something. That's this one. This is glossy card, alcohol ink, Cosmic Shimmer, blue wisteria, but I don't know what the pattern was underneath. Probably crumpled paper. And then I used the bingo folder that a lovely Lynn sent me. Oh, that's like the backwards one. Oh, that's distressing. I used distress ink on that. The dropper, this, just on a baby wipe, I think I put it on with. I've only got one of those. That was, in the sale, like for next to nothing once. And I thought, oh, got to have that, as you do. So that works quite well, that ink. And then I tried it with, I've got some, let's have a look. Now, a lovely friend, Penny Humphries, she gave me these about 3 years ago, and I can't believe I've never used them. They're jacquard, but and they're Dynaflow, and it's them for fabric, and I've never tried them, and I thought, oh, it's fabric, isn't it? Paper's fabric. So, and that's the chartreuse. I love this colour. I don't even know whether I'm saying that. That's how I call it, what I call it, chartreuse. Again, just on a baby wipe. So that one worked. Don't know what pattern. Oh, this is butterflies, I think. Yeah, butterflies underneath. What have we got there? That's alcohol ink, and that was a pinky one. But I just got a bit obsessed with going over them with the Cosmic Shimmers. This is the butterfly one as well, with alcohol and pink thistle. Well, that one's showing up well on the camera. Yes, such a lot of fun. This, I would imagine, before I turn it over, I would imagine this is probably alcohol ink, and I'd used that. But I don't dislike that. Yeah. amethyst and flamingo, and then I went over it with the pink thistle, and I just love them all. So these are floral embossing folders and alcohol Valencia, and then that's the golden glow cosmic shimmer opal pearl. This one looks as though it's the dresses folder that I showed you the other day. Oh, that was with the Dynaflows, the fabric paint, but I didn't write down what colour it was, but pink thistle over the top. There's a butterfly one, that's the Dynaflow violet and cosmic shimmer lilac pearl. And I forgot to say as well that you know the wax papers that we did, don't throw those away. Oh, where's the hearts? Look. Don't throw those away, because we can colour those up. Oh, I'm going all over the place now, aren't I? Oh, that's the dresses one, look, with alcohol and cosmic shimmer gold. They're just, oh, just lovely. Love them. No, I don't know where I've put them. There they are, look, hung up on my line. So I had a little play with the wax paper, but I haven't written on them, so I don't know what I've used. I think this is the cosmic shimmer, the gold, I think. This one I think is a bit of not cosmic shimmer, what's the other one that they all dry up? Inca gold. I think that's the Inca gold copper, and then a bit of cosmic shimmer as well. So I can't wait to use these on some projects. The one that I thought would work the best, which I tried first, was alcohol ink, and it just didn't want. I thought alcohol ink's going to work the best on these, just didn't want to know. But trusty old cosmic shimmer opal pearls, I'm not getting paid by them, honestly. I wish I was. If anybody's watching from Cosmic Shimmer, you feel free to send me some more products. Yeah, so I just put some of that over the top. Love this embossing folder. Don't know what, I think it's the opal pearls, it's some sort of colour. Yeah, some of them I used, like this one was, let me have a look, one of these, not in that colour, it was the greeny one, which went on lovely, but then it dries flat, so we have to put a bit of shimmery polish on it. Don't know what that colour was or what paint it was. Yeah, these were acrylic paints, I think, just with shimmer over the top. I think that was just an acrylic paint with shimmer over the top, and the same with that one. So that was fun. I remembered, Tina. But yeah, put those in there now. So, right, I shall go, and I've got another project on the go as well. Oh God, it's all go, isn't it? Oh, and now the sun's coming out. It's been an absolutely pants day. It's been pouring rain all morning, and yesterday was nice. The day before was tiddling down and storms, and not that I hear the storms because my hearing doesn't tune into thunder and that sort of thing, but Mr. Doodle said it was thundering, so, but it absolutely poured, and yeah. Right, I'm going. Take care everyone, thanks for watching, and I shall speak to you soon. Bye.